Good evening, guys. Welcome to Cerebellum Academy. Today we have Dr. Ankur sir, a faculty of Biochemistry. Right now we have some rapid fire questions. So, sir, are you ready, sir?
Done.
So, sir, what was your first salary, sir?
It was 26,000.
And the best year of your MBBS, sir?
It was second prof. Was a little bit relaxing.
Tea or coffee? What do you prefer, sir?
Absolutely tea.
Are you early bird or a night owl?
Mix.
Describe Cerebellum Academy in one word or one sentence.
Cerebellum है तो सब कुछ possible है.
What one piece of advice you should give to the students?
Trust yourselves. Most of time I have seen that we do work hard and we think that we can't do. So start trusting yourself and you can do.
Sir, my final question is, what motivates you to make educational contents?
Whenever I see the happy face of my students after success, I feel motivated to do all hard work which I am doing.
Thank you, sir.